What's the meaning of consumptive? Consumptive. Consumptive.
Consumptive. Consumptive. The word consumptive is an adjective that describes something characterized by consumption or excessive use. It can refer to a person who is suffering from a chronic wasting disease, such as tuberculosis, or to a lifestyle or economy that is unsustainable due to excessive consumption of resources. In either case, the result is a depletion of the resources or a decline in the health of the individual. This term can also suggest a destructive or wasteful approach to life that fails to consider long-term consequences. Overall, consumptive conveys a sense of excess and unsustainability that can have negative consequences.